All right, guys, I'm going to go over your surface area quiz answers. What is surface area? Is the area of all 2D faces on a 3D figure. So basically, we are just finding the area of all the faces and then adding them together. Okay, let's start with naming. This is a triangular prism. This is a cube. And this is a square pyramid. So now we're going to solve each of these. Okay, so we're going to start with the base. And we know that the base is a triangle. So to find the area of our triangle, we are going to multiply the base times the height and divide it by 2. So that gives us 6. Okay, now we have 2 triangles. So we are going to go ahead and multiply that by 2 to get the area of both triangles. All right. Next, we're going to look at our rectangles. So our first rectangle, I'm going to just start with this top rectangle, and it is 5 by 11, which is 55. Then I'm working clockwise. I'm going to go to this rectangle that's on the bottom, and I'm going to see that it is a 4 by 11, which gives us 44. And then finally, I'm moving up the left side of this, and I see that it is a 3 also by 11, okay, which is 33. So if I add all of those together, I see that my total surface area is going to be 144 square centimeters. Okay, moving to my cube. If I find the area, one thing I notice about a cube is that all faces are equal dimensions. So if I find the area of one face, I can multiply it by 6 to get the total surface area. So the area of this face I've highlighted in green is going to be 8 by 8, which is 64. That's the area of one face. There are 6 faces on a cube. So 64 times 6 will give me my total surface area, which is 384 square centimeters. Okay, finally, I'm going to move on to my square pyramid, and I'm going to start with the base again. Because this is a square pyramid, my base is a square. So to find the area of a square, it's 25 by 25, and I get 625 square feet. Okay, now I have 4 triangles. Because this is a square, each triangle is going to have the same base and the same height. So if I can find the area of one triangle, I can multiply it by 4. So the area of one triangle is going to be 25 base times height of 32 divided by 2. So 35, I'm doing that right now on my calculator, 32 times 25 divided by 2 gives me 400. Okay, that's the area of one triangle. Because I have 4 equal triangles, I can multiply that by 4 and I get 1,600 square feet. My final step is to take the area of my triangles, the surface area of my square, and add those together. So 1,600 plus 625 gives me 2,225 total square feet as my surface area.